Welcome to this video on the cracked compass. We're exploring a necessary OS update for a 200,000-year-old conscience. System diagnostic initiated. Warning: obsolete frameworks detected. For 200,000 years, humans survived by convincing our tribe we were worth keeping around. Our brains evolved a full-time press secretary to prove we are good. But I am a good person is often a defense strategy, not a verdict. A true verdict requires a trial. The books are cooked. Your brain works for you, not for truth. We tend to meticulously record every kindness we give, while conveniently forgetting the kindness we took. It's not a record, it's propaganda. For most of history, morality meant loyalty to us versus them. We still wear morality like a sports jersey. You didn't necessarily choose your values, you inherited a zip code. Modern comment sections act as scoreboards rather than searches for truth. Empathy is older than scripture. From rats freeing strangers to infants preferring a helper, research shows that goodness is a trait of social mammals. It was pre-installed, not a later revelation. The content of our moral codes varies wildly by border and century, but the underlying neural machinery, care, fairness, loyalty, authority, and purity remains the same. We must hold both truths, or risk becoming bigoted. Guilt isn't a cosmic verdict. It's a repair signal designed by evolution to help us fix social bonds. We often feel worse about being caught than about the harm itself. Think of guilt as a dashboard light, not a judge. Disgust is driving our moral condemnations, borrowing the same neural circuits meant for avoiding spoiled food. You can't out-argue a gag reflex. Nausea with opinions is not judgment. Clinical testing shows that predicted heroism and actual behavior rarely correlate. Morality isn't what you would do in a hypothetical scenario. It's what you do when it costs you. Stop curating a heroic self-image. It's worthless. Human coordination scales because of shared fiction. We build supply chains and nations by feeling morality as objective truth. The system relies on our collective commitment, and it only works while we maintain the facade. Our moral algorithm often misfires, welding disgust to rules and sacrificing real goods to defend symbols. The true test of your morality is what survives when you are unwatched, unposted, and unpaid. The internet made moral signaling free, causing the display to detach from actual behavior. Outrage has become the cheapest virtue on the market. The correction is simple. Perform one unphotographed good deed rather than a wardrobe of posts. When people realize morality is constructed, some leap into nihilism, viewing it as maturity. But nihilism is a mood, not a conclusion. Even if you think nothing matters, you still look both ways before crossing the street. Life demands action. Here is the summary of our Morality OS update. We are moving from viewing morality as a cosmic discovery to understanding it as a biological tool designed for social survival. Update ready. The compass was always cracked. It just took us this long to notice. Pick your values, act on them without seeking credit, hold your maps loosely, and repair often. System reboot complete.